I'm really excited to try out this new paper that I was just sent. My kids have this camera that I have to continually buy paper for all the time. It is just a thermal printer on the camera, and this paper works with kids' cameras or little mini thermal printers. And what comes in the pack are 9 rolls of paper. There are 3 colored rolls, 3 thermal white rolls, and 3 label rolls. So it's got the sticker on the back. So we're going to put this in the camera. We will look at it. The colors, we've got blue, yellow, and pink for our coloring. So with these, you don't actually need that little drum that goes inside of the camera to load things or inside the printer. So if you have that, just take that bad boy out. All you got to do is just open it up and you put your roll of paper in. This is just a 2-inch roll of paper, so it should fit most of those sizes. And you just stick it in there. You just line it up, shoot your picture. And there we have our picture. So there's the blue paper with the thermal. Let's go ahead and do one of the labels and we'll see how that works. So to switch out the paper, it's also super simple. Take it out and we're just going to put a new one in. So this is the label paper. Put it in there and we'll tear off the excess. And then we will take our picture again. Once you have it printed off, then you just come up to one of the corners and you pull the label back. And then you have a sticky surface.